Hello, good morning and welcome to the first official video of 2026. Let's go. So like I say, this is the first official trip back out in the new year, and we've come down to the Lake District, myself, Daz and Big D. We came last night, stopped the night, met up, had a few pints, catch up, and we had a nice, very nice mixed grill. So to justify having that last night, we've came for a bit of a hike this morning. We came up Cap Bells. Just a nice, relatively easy one to start the year off, but a nice one nevertheless. We're not the only people to have that idea. It looks very busy up here today. Easy to see why. Like I say, it's a relatively easy one. It's on the lungs and on the legs. But if just over here behind me, that's where hopefully the sun will rise to greet us this morning on the third day of the year. So yeah, I'll pick you up back at the top, and hopefully, like I say, we'll get a nice sunrise. Hope you can hear me. I'm not gonna lie, the wind has dramatically picked up. I mean, dangerously picked up. I just had to take refuge onto the ground before I didn't have a choice. So yeah, a bit of drama, 2/3 of the way up, but already behind me there, or behind you even, the hues are already starting. You got your peaches coming through. I'll just spin you around. I'm not sure if you can make it out on the camera, but there, just over the horizon there, it started. So nice and steady. There's no rush to get to the top. Don't want to put anybody in danger. Always put safety first. But there will be a reward at the top. Get in. Cap Bells done yet again. And wow. Yes. Bit treacherous at the very end there. Hence I had to put the tripod on the bag and use both hands, because that got very dangerous. But we've made it. Like I say, behind me there, it's where the sun will come up. You've got all these capped hills. There's a bit of frost just over there, but we're hoping when the sun goes over that horizon, it'll light up Skiddaw and Blencathra. But those peaks have got a dusting of frost, even in the far distance past Robinson and Dalehead. But wow, I think quick coffee and try and get some images. I'm not sure how easy this is going to be, like I say, with the wind, but wow, I really do hope everybody made it up here safe, because like I say, no walk and no image is worth putting yourself in danger for. Always remember that. So if you're up on Cap Bells on the 3rd of January, I hope you got here safe. And if you had to turn round, good choice, very good choice. Safety first. The tripod has to be held, so it's a bit tricky. My shutter speed was 1.6 seconds, so it's very, very challenging at the moment. I mean, the views around here, absolutely stunning. They really are. I mean, if you can't hear me, this is all an absolute waste of time. So, fingers crossed, you can hear me. I'm not quite sure where the lads are. I think they're over to my right, taking cover. Right, I've come over to the right hand side, get down a bit low, take a bit of refuge out of that wind. But just to my right, just over there, the sun is about to breach the horizon. So what I've done, Blencathra has just been kissed lovely with the light. So I've got the big lens out. I've just been shooting, bang, bang, bang. Big lens, all the peaks that are all got a dusting of, not quite snow, more frost. But there's a quite nice, lovely dusting everywhere. So I've just been picking out nice little individual areas with the big lens, the 100, 400, Blencathra. I'm not even sure what's in that far distance, it's too far away to even think about what it's called. And just over here, behind me where Ginger's, Skiddaw is just getting a little bit of light now. So again, I'm going to get that big lens out and just pinpoint that. What I'm waiting for is where we're sat, some lovely rocks here, some foreground. I'm waiting for the light to hit that. So for the time being, I'll put these 100, 400 images up, Skiddaw, Blencathra and all of the other peaks around here, until this light catches on here, and that's when the lovely side lights will illuminate this area and really enhance the side of these rocks. So I'll put these images up now while I wait for that light. Whoa! And also try and stay safe in this wind. Oh, what a morning, what a morning. If you're enjoying this, guys, in fact, just for that bit alone, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. We're slowly growing as a small channel. So yeah, here's those images. Turned up just on this right hand side of that ridge there. Some beautiful soft light. And my leading line further up here is this path here. Just using this path, the shadows on the left and the light on the right, just leading you down, right down on the side there, as I mentioned, onto Skiddaw. Skiddaw is yet to get any light, but that will be happening very soon. So I'm just literally riding the shutter button every couple of seconds as the light keeps changing, and just take it from there. But these are going to be some really nice images. There's a lot of people descending now. Ginge actually got ambushed, and unfortunately there was a lot of shadows, mine being one of them, so I do apologise for that. But yeah, I mean, like I say, this light, again, just ride that shutter button, back button focus. For those interested, settings are 25th of a second, ISO 800 f8. So yeah, let's get back to this shooting, and I'll put these images up in a second. then, I think that's gonna call today's one. Very, very challenging with the wind and the temperature, but hopefully the images will justify that and make it all worthwhile. Let me know which one your favourite was, and I'll put the time lapse up. Got a little time lapse of the sun coming up just behind me. But as always, if you like this one, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. And as always, get out, stay safe, and enjoy your photography. Until next time, bye for now.